Guys, are you thinking about investing in Dubai or UAE real estate market but not sure where to begin? In this video, I will answer the most important question investors ask based on real client cases, true market data, and behind the scenes insights that most agents or developers will not tell you. We will talk about how to choose the right project, where the real returns are, and what mistakes to avoid, especially if you are buying remotely or for the first time. Stay with me until the end. I'll share a special bonus and a code where you can use to get a free property selection tailored to your personal strategy. My name is Misha. I've been in Dubai real estate market for 4 years and I have been living in Dubai for 7 years. I specialize in working with international investors who are looking to not just a property, but a profitable, safe, and strategic investment. Most of my clients come back to work with us again, not just because we help them choose and purchase property, but because our agency provides full post-sale support, rental management, resale strategy, legal and financial guidance, currency transfer, and most importantly, we help define your investment goal and calculate returns on several properties so you can make a confident choice. And if you think buying directly from a developer is more profitable, it's not at all. With our agency, you get the same prices as the developer, sometimes even better, plus full support on every stage, from strategy to transaction and beyond. Let's dive into the top most common investor questions, and I will show you what smart investing in Dubai actually look like. So how much money do I need to get started? Great question, and one of the most common I get from first-time investors. The good news are, you don't need millions to enter the market, but it's important to approach it strategically. Let me break it down and share real examples from our client. So first, entry level around $50,000 to $70,000. If your capital is limited, you can start with off-plan projects. These are properties under construction with very flexible payment plan with 0% interest fee from developer side. So client story. A young investor from Eastern Europe came in with 55,000 euro. Initially, he thought this wouldn't be enough. We showed him a studio in Dubai South from a reputable developer with a 5 years post-handover payment plan. He paid 15% upfront and the rest is spread out. When the unit is completed, project rental yield is around 9 to 10% annually, far better than a bank deposit or stock dividends. So second example, mid-range from $150,000 to $250,000. This is where the options really open up. You can buy a ready-to-rent one bedroom in communities like JVC, Arjan, or Business Bay. Client story. A couple from the UK had $180,000 and wanted rental income. We helped them buy a furnished one bedroom in JVC, fully ready for tenants. Within 2 weeks of transfer, we had it rented at 8.5% ROI. No stress, no waiting, nothing. And third example, from $300,000 up to $500,000 and even more. At this level, you can target high-end properties or multiple smaller units. Some clients prefer 2 one-bedroom units for better diversification. Others want something more luxurious, like a 2 or 3 even bedroom in Dubai Hills or a waterfront unit in Marina or Dubai Canal. So for example, client story. An investor from Singapore had $500,000 and planned to visit Dubai with his family for a few months each year. We advised him to split the investment into 2 one-bedroom apartments, one for short-term rental income, another as a personal holiday home. He's now earning 7 to 8% annually and still uses one unit for family stays. So it's not just how much money, it's how you allocate it even. With the right strategy, $60,000 can work just as hard as $600,000. So don't let the budget stop you. Let's talk strategy first. Sometimes a payment plan with the right developer can multiply your returns while keeping your initial outlay low. Ready or off-plan apartment? What's better? So for example, regarding ready, you earn rental income immediately. Regarding off-plans, lower price entry, payment plan, and higher capital growth, capital appreciation. So investor story again. One gentleman bought into Shoba project at launch. Value jumped for 30 to 34% just in 12 months. How do I choose a trustworthy developer? Check reputation of developer, RARA registration, track record. Not all new names are safe. Again case, one client nearly invested in a new developer. We ran a background check, 3 delayed projects. They ended up choosing Danube instead. Can foreigners buy without a UAE visa? Yes, foreigners can buy without a visa, but if you invest above $205,000, you're eligible for a UAE residency visa for 2 years with extension. How do I transfer money for the purchase? Via SWIFT directly to the developer. Crypto or digital assets are also possible in some cases. We help identify the safest and most efficient payment route based on your country. Can I get a mortgage in Dubai as a foreigner? Yeah, you can, if you have income over $5,000 per month, with the 20-25 minimum down payment and interest rate between 4 to 5%, you can get your loan, mortgage loan, up to 25%. Who will manage my property after I buy? We will do that. Our in-house and partner teams handle everything. Listings, check-in, check-out, maintenance, booking, reporting, turnkey. Can I get guaranteed rental income? Some developers offer guaranteed returns on the short term, or we sign a long-term property management contract for 3 to 5 years, let's say. Dubai means 0% tax, strong capital appreciation, and global demand, but only if you choose the right project. Comment, call to get consultation and custom strategy based on your budget. Thank you for attention. Bye.